Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how to reconcile your accounts in Wave. Now, reconciliation helps to catch errors and to ensure that your books are accurate. Here's how to do it. The first thing you got to do is go to accounting, and there you can find reconciliation. Then next you got to choose the bank accounts that you want to reconcile. Then you're going to enter your bank statements, ending balance, as well as the end date of the statement period. Next, Wave will show your recorded balance for that specific period, and you can go through the listed transactions and check them off if they match your bank statements. Now, if something's missing or off, you can just go back to transactions and adjust from there. Now, once all matched, then you can just click reconcile, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys in this video. I hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.